Hello everyone. So today we are making a smart energy meter using Raspberry Pi. This is the output that I'm getting from the code. So before that, I'll briefly talk about the system that I'm using currently. So I have an auto transformer single phase which is giving supply of 230 volts. This is on watt meter. I'll talk about it later, and there is one ammeter for measuring the current. So I am using the Raspberry Pi 5, as you can see. This is the Raspberry Pi 5. This is a voltage measurement module. Its name is ZMPT101B. It is a voltage measurement. It can do AC voltage measurement, and I am using one AC current sensor, that is ACS712. Although it can measure both AC and DC, but I am currently using it for AC measurement. So this is the circuitry. I'll put the circuit diagram, the schematic diagram in the display right now. So I have connected the CRO, the outputs of ZMPT and the ACS712. So the yellow one is the voltage output and the blue one is current output. There is a little phase difference. It shouldn't be there because I'm using a resistive load, but still there is some mismatch in the phase. So I had to make it perfect through the code itself, because in this one the voltage is lagging, actually the current. This is because of the ZMPT 101B. So I have shifted the waveform with my code. There is almost 32 to 34 degree phase difference. This is an error. So I have done the phase shifting, and before that I'll show you the code is updating every second. You can always change that. VRMS, that is the RMS voltage, it is showing us 228 to 29 volt, and the voltmeter is also measuring 229 volt. Now the IRMS, that is 4.1 ampere, 4.1 ampere, as you can see. So now we will quickly see. This is the ammeter. This is showing us 4.0. So calibration is almost perfect. And as you can see, the volt current has dropped 4.8, 4.7 something. So, and this is the watt meter. The watt meter I'm currently using, look at this. So I am using the multiplying factor as 4. It is reading as 230. Now if we multiply it by 4, almost 920, and the active power I am measuring currently with a code, that is 927, 920, 930, 928. So just 0.5 to 1% error that I'm getting. And in the code itself I have also measuring the total energy that is being consumed in watt hour and in kilowatt hour also, and the total cost. In the code itself I'll show you. In the code itself, as you can see, the main frequency phase shifting that I was just talking about because of the error, and samples I'm taking per cycle. It is updating the output every second, and the cost per kilowatt hour I have taken at 8. So the output that you are getting at total cost is multiplied by 8 of whatever the total energy is consumed. Also, fun fact, I have made an HTML web page, web dashboard, and this will also give us the voltage RMS, current RMS, active power, everything. So now as you can see, the power output has dropped 924, and it is also in the wattmeter 920 exact. So there is a little bit of fluctuation because of the voltage variation, and this is a web page, web terminal dashboard that we have made. So yes, this is the project. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, the ADC I'm using, because the output of ZMPT101B and the ACS712 is the analog output. So to convert this analog output to digital data, I am using MCP3008 IC. It is a very fast IC. It can take up to 200 kilosamples per second. Although through Python and Raspberry Pi integration, I have got 20 kilosamples per second. This is the IC MCP3008, and this is the final output. Thank you so much.